Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you some summer special recipes that are very healthy, and I love to cook them and my family enjoys it so much. So to start off with breakfast, I am making a muskmelon smoothie today. Muskmelon is very good for women who are suffering from PCOS, and it's a very nice fruit you can have during summers as it is seasonal. And you can cut it in small chunks and store in your refrigerator. I usually store bananas also like in this way, so that I can use it later on. And now I'm adding gur. This gur is slightly different from the gur that we get from the market, as it is used for making puran polis. Muskmelon is like something which helps to keep your body cool during summers. It is better than, I'll say, better than watermelon also. So you can have it in this way, as it usually doesn't taste so sweet like watermelon. So I like to have it in this form, in smoothie form. And in mornings are the best way to get your fruit intake, and smoothies are the best form to have it, because you are taking the pulp and fiber with your smoothie. So you can have your own combination, you can add your favorite fruits, 2 or 3 different type of fruits, and you can add oats to make it a full breakfast meal, so that you don't have to eat again and again, because it will keep you full for a very long time. Like up to lunch, you don't have to eat anything extra. So that's for this smoothie part. I drink it and then I do some work, and then I move on to make another breakfast, that is corn chaat, corn aloo chaat. That sounds so nice, and you may think that is very difficult, but it is not. It's very simple. So to start off, I need to put the corn in freezer, because I just ordered it, and I'm keeping the corn in this takeout container, this plastic takeout container. And usually keep your food in the container, plastic container that have PP5 mentioned in that container. So in this way you can store your food fresh for longer period of time. So to make a corn chaat, you need some onions and some basic things. It is super easy. You don't have to cut a lot of vegetables, but you can add vegetables like beet, carrots also if you want to. And you need some boiled potatoes, boiled alus. So I peel the skin of the potatoes, and then I mash it with some herbs, seasonings, and then it is good to go. Add some salt. This seasoning from Snap-in is very good. Mixed herb seasoning is very good. You can try it, guys. Now heat the pan, and in the oil you can add your cut onions. Fry it nicely till it is like a pinkish brown, and then you add your mashed potatoes in it and fry it until you get that aroma of the herbs, and then you add your corn in there. Now to make it a chaat like, you need to add some lemon. You can definitely add imli sauce or imli ka pani, like that you can add it over here, and it will also make your corn chaat very tasty and tangy. But I'm adding here only this lemon part and some coriander, that's it. You can add chaat masala also, but I skipped that part. So you can enjoy it. You try it and let me know in the comment section that how you liked it. So I'm having my tea with my corn chaat, and I love tea in the morning. It usually wakes me up. So for lunch I'm making shukto, and shukto is a Bengali authentic dish. So in this recipe usually we need to add 4 to 5 vegetables. We don't require a very large quantity of that. Little bit of all the vegetables like ridge gourd, brinjal, bitter gourd, and lauki you can add potato also, but it will make the curry very thick, so I'm skipping the potato here. And else you can add drumstick also, which is very good to have during summers. And we need to boil all the vegetables by adding the salt, turmeric and coriander powder, and it will add a flavor to it. So it's a very light dish because we are not adding so much spices in here, little bit spices, and everything is boiled. And in the oil we need to add furons like tej patta we can add, and fenugreek seed I have mentioned in the bar. You can see it, what are all the furons we need to give, or chalk you can say it in Hindi. So we need to add all this. We need to fry it until we get the pitter patter sounds. And I'm adding bori also here. So after frying the bori till golden brown, I am adding the boiled veggies. We need to cook it. We need to add little bit of salt in it and sugar for taste, and ginger paste, that is important, just a little bit of ginger paste. According to your quantity you need to add it, and you can keep it for in simmer for 5 minutes. And after that you can add coriander powder, coriander leaves, chopped up coriander leaves, and you can enjoy your shukto with white rice, that is usually we Bengalis have. And with that I am also making this begun bhaja we call it. It's a brinjal, fried brinjal, and it is enjoyed with ghee and with white rice. And shukto is enjoyed during lunchtime only, because in night time usually we don't eat shukto. So enjoy this shukto, make this recipe. This recipe is very good for kids also, to have them all the vegetables, and it is not that much spicy because we are not adding any chilies over here. No red chili, no green chili. That's the way of making an authentic shukto. So for dinner I am making jackfruit curry. You need red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, tej patta, dried red chili, white cumin, and some cinnamon stick and elaichi. In oil you need to add all those khara masalas, and then you add chopped onions. And I've already fried the jackfruit and potatoes earlier and kept it aside. And in the mixture you need to add the paste of tomato, onion, garlic, ginger and green chilies, and then you need to add all your masalas that I've mentioned earlier. Add it and fry it until the oil separates from the mixture. Then you get to know that your base is ready, and you can add boiled water to it. You can add accordingly the amount you require, and you can add the boiled water like that. And you can enjoy the jackfruit curry with rice, parathas, luchis and anything. And you can add shrimp or prawn also, otherwise you can skip it. I'm adding here prawn because it add a different kind of taste in the curry, and we usually love to have it with prawns. So hopefully you love this video, and do try this recipe, and let me know in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and others too. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye and take care.